Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram cache. So let's get started. Open up the Settings app on your phone. After that, scroll down Settings and tap on Apps and Permissions. And then click on App Manager. After that, scroll down the apps and tap on Instagram. And then just tap on Storage. From here you can clear your data and cache. Just tap on Clear Cache. So your Instagram cache is now cleared. You can also clear your Instagram cache with another method. Just go back to your mobile screen. Press and hold your Instagram app with your finger. Then this pop-up menu will appear. After that, tap on App Info. After that, tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.